The HP Sprocket 2-in-1 is super cool because not only does it print out your smartphone photos, it's an instant camera too. The first thing you want to do is download the HP Sprocket app. This will show you how to set up your Sprocket 2-in-1, create a print, add stickers, and relive your memories. After you download the app, you'll want to add paper. Slide the back cover off, load the paper with the blue smart sheet on the bottom. Make sure the logo is facing down. Then put the cover back on. You only have to load the blue smart sheet once per pack of paper. One thing you really want to pay attention to is the size of paper that you use. It's the 2x3 paper with the blue smart sheet, not the other one. That's for the bigger Sprocket called the Sprocket Plus, which is also really cool and prints out larger photos, but that paper won't even fit in this device, so don't use it. You're probably going to be using the Sprocket 2-in-1 a lot, so you'll need to charge it at some point. Just plug in the micro USB cable to a power source like your computer and let it charge. The LED light turns red to show that it's charging. Once it's done charging, the light turns off. To turn it on, you just hold down on this power switch until your product comes to life. To turn it back off, you push and hold the power switch down again. Now for the fun stuff, instant camera mode. This lets you take a picture, then instantly print it out. To start, push down on the viewfinder, it'll pop up and you're ready to take your picture. Don't pull it or pry it open because this will break the viewfinder and then you'll be sad because you won't be able to use it. So just boop and it opens. All you have to do now is take the picture. Your printed photos will have a wider angle view than what you see through the viewfinder. This is so you can capture everybody in the shot. Group photos of all your friends at the party are going to be amazing. Look, it's printing. Having a micro SD card is awesome. You can capture digital memories and then share them online later. The micro SD card is an optional accessory which is not included, but if you get one, make sure your Sprocket 2-in-1 is off. Then use your fingernail to insert the micro SD card, label facing up. After you take a whole bunch of pictures, you can transfer all your photos to your PC using the included USB cable. Now let's pair your mobile device with the HP Sprocket 2-in-1. Turn on your Bluetooth on your phone and connect to your Sprocket. Make sure that's turned on too. The Sprocket app walks you through setting up if you didn't want to watch this entire video. Oops, too late. We're almost done. You can print out a photo from your camera roll. Even if you didn't take it with the Sprocket 2-in-1, you can edit the photo and add stuff to it. Totally customize it however you want. Let's take a selfie. The cool selfie mirror helps you see what you look like prior to snapping that photo. Make sure everyone fits. The Sprocket 2-in-1 is a smartphone printer and instant camera all in one device. You can take as many pictures as you want and print out as many as you want. The possibilities are endless. I mean, how cool is that?